Welcome to BioAnalytics Lab. On this channel, I teach and demonstrate hands-on data analysis and visualization using real biological and omics datasets. You will learn practical workflows in metabolomics, proteomics, bioinformatics, and statistical analysis that you can apply directly to your own research. In this video, I will show you how to generate PCA and PLS-DA plots for metabolomics data using R. We will go step by step, starting from loading and preparing the data frame, preprocessing the metabolomics data, running PCA and PLS-DA analysis, and finally creating 3D interactive plots. This tutorial is designed to help you visualize group separation, explore sample pattern, and generate publication quality figures efficiently for scientific research and metabolomics study. This is example dataset. This sample, group information, metabolites, and corresponding peak area. We are going to use this data file. So let's make a 3D PCA and PLS-DA for metabolomics data in R. So this is the package we want to use, and this is the library we'll run and load the CBS data. And this is the data. You see this thumbnail samples group. And first separate metadata and feature. And handle the missing values. And we'll do the log2 transform and auto scale. And now we are making the PCA analysis 3D plot. This is the PCA plot 3D. And you can visualize however you want. And this is the PLS-DA plot. Yes. So you can visualize however you want. Save this plot in HTML and later you can download as PNG. So now this is the downloaded PCA 3D. You see this, how you can actually visualize. This is PLS 3D plot. You can visualize however you want. Thank you for watching BioAnalytics Lab. If you find these videos helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss upcoming tutorials and new content. Thank you so much.